Here's my ultramarine. Oh, too bad I don't have it. I can't paint.
I'll bring you mine.
No, I think it's here
Colored
somewhere.
one?
It doesn't really matter what color.
Ah, yes, we do.
Okay, so see, you just put your color in and your black, then you just go in, see, and let it melt into it. Every time you wanted something nice and straight,
So did you
always.
wet the paper first?
No,
You
the
wet the
blue,
blue.
the blue, yeah. So anytime you want it nice and clean, always point your brush against the, okay? And, see? Okay. And of course, sometimes you may have to go back again to make it even darker. But try to even leave a little bit of dots here and there, that's good. So, see? And if you think that your blue is not enough, you can always just drop it in again. Too. Okay, so then this super black. Like I said, sometimes you may have to do it twice to get it going. See, that's it. So if you read it, all the blue with black, like black, you put some color on it, and then let it dry. And indeed, that if it's too light, like some of these areas, right? Then that wasn't a bad look. You know?
No. You know, I have issues with black. I never seem to get it dark enough.
Yeah, see how gray you can sort of see if I put my pure black on it, you can actually see. Last night I was watching the news, they were saying that I think the American is the worst, you know, in terms of transfer stuff from in your car. Here we have to tie a red flag to it, right? They said that last year alone there was, I don't know how many hundreds of thousands of injured people driving on a highway, and then a furniture,
Mattress goes
a mattress,
flying off, or-
yeah.
I think putting your arm out the window and holding it is gonna hold it on. Yeah.
You know, and they all caught on tape, scary. And
Oh.
one